With all the new and creative ways to earn money nowadays, you'll find tons of side hustles that pay pretty well for just owning a vehicle. In fact, there are plenty of apps that pay you to drive, like Uber Eats and Postmates, or even ride-sharing services such as Lyft. Everyone talks about how you can make money with your average car, but what about a pickup truck? After watching this, you might come to find that there are more advantages to owning a truck than you thought. So, if you want to know how to make money with a pickup truck, then you're in luck because we're going to go over some great ideas to bring in some extra cash. Indeed, the keys to your pickup truck may be your key to making more money. A pickup truck is a perfect vehicle to use for a frequent side hustle. It's versatile, has plenty of power, and most people don't have one readily accessible. That means if you already own a pickup truck, people out there need what you have. How would you capitalize on that? Keep watching to find out. And be sure to leave us a comment down below on the country you're from. And that way, we will know exactly where you're from and ensure that every single video we release is meant for you. So, don't forget to drop your country's name in the comment section. And with that said, let's tell you how to earn extra money with that truck. Start a moving service. Okay, now let's get into the nitty-gritty of actually using your pickup truck to earn some money. After all, you own it because you love to drive it, right? The first idea that popped into our heads for this video was using your pickup to start a small moving business. You have a vehicle with space that's perfect for hauling and moving things, and you can probably find customers right in your neighborhood. Most people don't have a vehicle that can help them move to another home. They have to rely on a moving company, which can cost thousands of dollars on top of an already expensive process. Well, you can swoop in, offer your services to move large furniture in boxes to the family's new home, and charge a fraction of the price a moving company would. That way, your prices stay competitive, and you can potentially snag some new customers who will happily recommend you to their family and friends. Offer snow plowing services. You probably bought your truck in part because its versatility and durability, but did you know you can turn your truck into a snow plow? If you live in a region that gets a lot of snow, this can be an excellent way to make money during the winter months. It's tough to compete against snowplow companies with huge fleets, but you can provide snowplow services as a subcontractor for those companies. A large truck with a plow may not fit into all places that need to be cleared of snow. Some snowplows are 8 feet wide. You can find a niche within these companies with smaller medium-duty trucks and a 6-foot plow. Snowplowing is hard on a truck's front end due to the weight of the snowplow and the wear and tear on brakes and wheel bearings. You'll also need special wiring to operate the plow controls, up and down and angle. For a small truck, you may look at what's called a homeowner plow, which is made of a tough molded plastic. They're much lighter and can attach to a truck via a receiver hitch, which is mounted on the front of the truck. Hookup is simple, but most homeowner plows don't have electronic controls. You may have to manually change the plow angle as needed. Factor in the cost of gas money. Check with your insurance provider to see if you need to upgrade your coverage. Deliver materials to or clear construction sites. Small construction companies might want to pay for your private delivery services instead of using a larger company that may charge more. You can bring large materials to and from residential and commercial construction zones. Construction companies sometimes find themselves in a jam when a project is more than their trucks can handle. In those cases, they'd probably be thrilled to outsource some work to you to keep them fresh with deliveries while they get their job done. Or you might even be available for the cleanup process when it's time to bring leftover materials to the recycling or trash center. You can haul away dirt, rocks, logs, materials, or anything else a construction or renovation company needs when it's done with a project. Renovation projects especially require a lot of cleanup when they're finished, so it would be helpful to be on hand to not just clean up, but also use your truck to take away old items like appliances or cabinets. You can talk to construction or renovation companies in your area to see if anyone's willing to subcontract work to you for large projects. Delivery services for food. Don't think small on this one. If you're thinking of food services delivering individual meals, you have plenty of competition from Uber and similar app users, which regularly deliver food. The food delivery service you want to do are less about meals and more about food supplies. Restaurants need to deliver meals, true, but they also need to receive supplies and not just food staples. They need takeout cartons, bulk supplies such as sugar, flour, cleaning materials, and office supplies. If a local restaurant is getting supplies delivered by a tractor-trailer, they're paying high fees on freight charges. Reach out to local restaurants with an informational flyer describing the delivery service you can provide with your truck or with your truck and trailer. For this type of work, your truck should be equipped with a cap that is watertight against the elements. If you plan to deliver supplies that need refrigeration, your best bet is a refrigerated box truck or van. Advertise on your truck. This idea is good for a side hustle. You might even make enough to cover your truck payment and insurance every month. There's car wrap advertising that can pay you up to $1,000 per month. If you own a pickup truck, you have an even better chance of making that top dollar amount because you have even more square footage of space to advertise on than you would with a smaller vehicle. Basically, you'll have your pickup wrapped in an advertisement for another company. There are a few legitimate places that offer this, each with its own requirements. Generally though, you'll need to drive a certain number of miles per month, have a vehicle in good shape, and commit to some sort of contract that outlines how long to keep the wrap on for. Then you'll get paid every month you adhere to the contract. Your pickup will essentially work as a moving billboard for the companies you advertise on it. The company gets some unique advertising, and you get paid for your vehicle's help. Try Carvertise and Wrapify to see what you can potentially earn. Just remember that this is a commitment, so if you plan to sell your truck anytime soon, this isn't the best option. Junk removal services. Junk removal services are needed by homeowners and also by special local businesses, the real estate company. Residential and commercial properties are much more likely to sell when junk, old couches, metal desks, etc. have been removed. To make money with your truck this way, by affiliation with a real estate company, you'll need to be bonded. That may cost about $1,000 a year. That protects the real estate company against any damages you cause to the properties that are for sale. Typically, there is one agent who handles cleanouts of foreclosure properties, and you'll have to bid against other junk removal companies. You can take appliances and other metal items to a scrap metal dealer and earn some extra cash. Rent your truck to others. Did you know that you can rent your pickup to other people to make some money? Whether they want it for some hauling themselves or they want to use it for ride sharing, you can still make money by offering it up when you don't need it. So maybe on your off days, you can allow someone to rent it. Turo is one service that helps you do this by sharing your truck on the marketplace for others to find it. It's free to start a listing, and you're in charge of all the rules of your vehicle. For example, if you don't want anyone using your truck as a work truck, you can have that listed as a rule before anyone rents it. And here's where it gets very cool. You can download apps that connect you with a peer-to-peer network. People who need delivery or shipping services are connected with truck drivers. You can set your own prices. These include Amazon Flex, GoShare, Uber and Lyft, LoadUp, Turbo, DoorDash, Postmates, and similar delivery apps. And that's how you can make money with a pickup truck. We hope you enjoyed it. Just be sure to subscribe to our channel for more of our awesome content. And please, give us a like and share the video. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell for timely updates of our new uploads. We value your feedback, so feel free to share your thoughts with us in the comments section down below. I'm Mickey V, and until next time, goodbye.